I call on stage our very dynamic Mayor of Bagong Kalibo, Mayor Juris B. Sucro, for the updates and other information that he wants to share with us.
Isang magandang bagong progresibong Kalibo katon na tanan. Morning. Kasi naman nakaisip ng mga barong. Hindi nga ako I usually wear t-shirts sa office para hindi madali maglibot. Hindi ko ba nakaisip nito, Vice? Civil service. Si Leonard Galigara. Bang ilisod mag-house to house kung mga barong. Well, I mean siguro this would be the last time na ma-handle do OMM 8 flag ceremony because campaign period yun dayon, so I cannot talk to my people, to my men. Just I would campaign hard myself here in LGU. It's up for you, magurangon ka mo, bahala ka mo magpili. I won't campaign hard sa LGU, bahala ka mo, it's up to you. Kung sino yung pilion, sino yung mayor, vice, or SB, side man ninyo ron na ano. Tapos, they want to campaign to your offices, feel free to listen to them because there is no monopoly of knowledge. So, buko niyang kamit mayan, pamatian min ninyo o iba. Kung sino, kung may ikatao sa atong banwa, dato ta inyong pilion. Well, I just want to give updates to our LGU, at least under my watch for the past 2.5 years. May convention center kita. I think gymnasium sa Naluok. Not only in Naluok, but also in Bacau. So we divide the development here in the town of Kalibo. Our community hospital was bid out also. I think this March would be the groundbreaking for it. So Kalibonhon would benefit from it. Hindi yun kita magsalig sa provincial hospital. What else we have our flood control sa poblasyon. So this could is the flooding here in Barangay Poblacion, Kalibo, and well, I feel that it's election season makaron because may ko ta naangkit ang dila, siguro ako ta pero topic, you know. Well, because I won't say anything negative sa mga gadaragan because it reflects of what kind of leader you are on how you campaign. Because kung imong obrahon man lang is pinanamad, maghinambar bukod platform-based, more on issue-based, gapakita na kung makapwesto ka, you're a vengative leader. So every election since 2016, 2019, 2022, I am very careful with the words na ginabuyan nakon because I believe tanan man kita pantay-pantay, tanan man kita mayad, at tanan man kita gusto maging leader. It's up for the people to choose kung sino gusto nanda maging leader. But for me, I still believe in the mantra of the Bagong Kalibo because this is not an imagination, this is not a myth. I know you feel because other towns envy Kalibo, they want to be part of Bagong Kalibo and it would still continue for the next 3 years. Do yun malang because I assure my people that if I will put Kalibo in bad light or the name of Kalibo, I would step down from my position kung ikapahamak na ako ng pangalan it Bagong Kalibo. I am not after the position. Doon man lang, God bless us all. Salamat din.